Good morning, students. In this series of videos, we learn fundamentals in mathematics. By watching this series, you will have clarity in fundamentals. Phobia towards maths will be eliminated. You can improve speed and accuracy by following our methods. Subscribe our channel and follow 20 videos relating to fundamentals in mathematics. Today's topic is types of polygons and triangles. What is polygon? Polygon is a two-dimensional closed figure with line segments. Once again, polygon is a two-dimensional closed figure with line segments. Types of polygons. Observe here. Polygon with three sides is called triangle. Polygon with four sides is called quadrilateral. With five sides is called pentagon. With six sides is called hexagon. With seven sides is called heptagon. Polygon with eight sides is called octagon. With 9 sides is nonagon. With 10 sides is decagon. Triangle is a closed figure with three line segments, and triangle has three sides. What are they? AB, BC and CA. The side AB can be written with small letter C. Similarly, BC can be written with small a, CA as small b. Triangle has three angles. They are angle PAC, angle ABC, angle ACB. Simply we can write angle A, angle B and angle C. Sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. Now a question. Two angles in a triangle are 38 degrees and 47 degrees. Find the third angle. We know that sum of interior angles is 180 degrees. We know two angles. We have to find the third angle. It is 180 minus sum of the given angles 38 plus 47. That means 180 minus 85. That is 95 degrees. One more question. Angles in a triangle are x plus 20, x plus 40. Then what is x? Angles in a triangle. So its sum is 180 degrees. That means x plus 20 plus x plus 40 is 180 degrees. Observe how many x are here. 3x are here. So it is 3x plus 20 plus 40 is 60. That means 3x plus 60 is 180. So 3x is 180 minus 60. That is 120. So x is 120 by 4. Its answer 120 by 3. Its answer is 40. Now listen carefully. The length of any side of a triangle. Once again. The length of any side of a triangle is greater than the difference of the other two sides. That means the side AB is greater than the difference of other two sides. That means mod of BC minus CA. Similarly, BC is greater than mod of AB minus CA, and side CA is greater than mod of AB minus BC. One more thing. Length of any side of a triangle is lesser than the sum of the other two sides. That means AB less than BC plus CA, BC less than AB plus CA, and CA less than AB plus BC. Question. Find the limits of x where x 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters are sides of a triangle. One side is always greater than the different and less than the total. So 6 minus 4 less than x less than 6 plus 4. That is 2 less than x less than 10. This is the limit of the x. That means x is between 2 and 10. Can we construct a triangle with sides 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 15 centimeters? No. Since 7 plus 8 is 15, sum of two sides equals to third side. Third side must be less than sum of two sides. Here sum of two sides is equals to third side. So we cannot construct triangle. And types of triangles. According to sides, triangles are three types. They are equilateral triangle. Hence, all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. That means two sides are equal. Scalene triangle. No side is equal. According to angles, triangles are three types. They are acute triangle and right triangle and obtuse triangle. In acute triangle, each angle is less than 90. In right triangle, one angle is equals to 90. In obtuse angle, one angle is greater than 90. Now, in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal and each angle is 60 degrees. In equilateral triangle, the height is root 3 by 2 into side. Similarly, the area is root 3 by 4 into side square. Remember this formula. Find the area of equilateral triangle whose side is 8 centimeters. Let us find height also. The formula to find height is root 3 by 2 into side. That means root 3 by 2 into 8. By simplification, we get 4 root 3 centimeters. To find area, formula is root 3 by 4 into side square. That means root 3 by 4 into 8 square. Root 3 by 4 into 64. By simplification, we get 16 root 3 centimeter square. Isosceles triangle. In this, two sides are equal and two angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Here, two sides are equal. So, its opposite angles are also equal. Question. Two angles in an isosceles triangle are 70 degrees and 40 degrees. Can you say the third angle? Yes. Two angles in isosceles triangle are equal. So, the third angle may be either 70 or 40. By observation, we say that the total of 70, 40, 70 is 180. So, the third angle is none other than 70 degrees. The area of a triangle, the formula is half into base into height. In right triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. the sum of other two angles is also becomes 90 degrees, and the side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem is applicable to right triangle. What is the theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Area of triangle. The formula is half into AB. That means half into product of right sides. Angles in isosceles right triangle. That means it is isosceles triangle, at the same time right triangle. Two sides are equal and one angle is 90 degrees. In this triangle, angles are 45 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. And the sides are A and hypotenuse is A root 2. The formula to find its area is A square by 2 square units. Question on it. Hypotenuse of an isosceles right triangle is 6 root 2 centimeters. Then find its sides and areas. Hypotenuse is A root 2. It is given as 6 root 2. By cancelling root 2 both sides, side A is 6 centimeters. Area is A square by 2. A is 6. So 6 square by 2. Nothing but 36 by 2. It is 18 centimeter square. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is practice. Dear students, by practicing, become extraordinary person. And we attached Google quiz here. After completion of practice, attempt the quiz and view your score. Our next video is on types of quadrilaterals. For our previous videos, click on the link given in the description box. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you for listening.